back to another special edition. I'm your host, Kid Choi, and today we're going to be making Hong Kong style French toast. Now let's get started. So first, we're going to use 1 vanilla chai tea bag and then steep it in hot water.
Only heat up 1/4 cup of water.
So you can use a microwave, a kettle, or a pot of hot water. It's your choice. Steep your tea for 2 to 3 minutes and set it to the side.
That tea is looking good. Let's let it work.
We're gonna make this dish by components. The first component, my dad's gonna peel and chop the pear.
All right, so yeah, this chopped pear, I'm gonna saute in the skillet, and that's gonna be the topping on the Hong Kong style French toast. Troy, go ahead and preheat that skillet for me, please.
To what, Dad?
To medium.
Okay.
So here's our saucepan set to medium heat. Here are the chopped pears. Now let's saute them. So here's a scoop of butter. Once it melts, you can saute your pears. Now let's add the ingredients. Here are our pears. Add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon of white granulated sugar. Add 2 dashes of nutmeg. Cook the pears to 2 to 3 minutes or until caramelization occurs. Now about that tea. Add about a tablespoon of tea to the pears and let that work. Aw yeah, these pears are looking mighty good.
Look at this beautiful golden brown color. That's how it's supposed to look.
For our second component, let's make our batter. First, you're gonna crack 2 eggs. Oh, that's already broken.
Oh, good. No, we don't have to break it.
There you go, Matt.
You can use whatever milk you like, but we're using heavy cream.
Now a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. One and a half teaspoon of vanilla. Remember that vanilla chai tea that we made earlier? Let's add that. I'm only gonna add half of this to start. Alright, yep, that's good. So now we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of sugar.
Now we're going to add the rest of the tea.
Quick interruption. You can use whatever tea brand or flavor you like, but my dad and I use vanilla chai. Back to the show. Now that we got our hot pan, we can add a little bit of oil so we can fry our French toast.
Here we have a thin layer of coconut oil. You can also use shortening, but do not use olive oil.
Now for our next component.
Here we have half a cup of white granulated sugar in a large mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, or as much as you like.
Mix this together and set it aside.
You can use whatever bread you like, but it needs to be 3 slices of bread. My dad and I are going to use brioche bread.
So now we're going to set up our Hong Kong style French toast. Put the filling in the middle of the French toast.
Take it all the way to the edge.
Make sure you spread the filling all the way to the edge so there's flavor in every bite. Now that you completed your first layer,
Now let's do the second layer.
now that you completed your second layer, we can batter and fry it up.
Now, traditionally, Hong Kong style French toast will use peanut butter, but you can use whatever filling you like, as long as the bread sticks together. Now, Dad and I used leftover filling that was in the fridge. Now my dad's gonna dip and fry the Hong Kong style French toast.
Now it's important to dip all 4 sides and then the front and the back. So I dip it on both sides and all the way around. Let that drain. Let it fry.
Let this fry for about 30 seconds or until golden brown.
Oh, look at that.
This looks delicious. Look how it stands up. Oh my god, this looks so delicious. I can't wait to try it. Alright, my dad's gonna take it out of the pan and we're gonna coat it in sugar. Be careful, cause this is hot. My dad is a professional. Man, look at that sugar work. This is gonna be so good. Alright, now it's time to plate it. Aw man, this looks so good, but we're not done yet. We're gonna add our sauteed pears, our whipped cream, and a dash of nutmeg.
So here's our Hong Kong style French toast. That looks delicious. Now let's dig in. Oh man, I can't wait to try this. I'm starving.
How is it?
I'm gonna try it with the pan.
How's that sauteed pear taste?
I'm about to try it.
My dad even added a little syrup drizzle on the pears.
Man, I'm about to make me one.
The pear makes it even better. And the cream.
Oh yeah, that's good. All right, cool. All right, well, Troy has a mouthful of food, so I'll just say it. That's it for this special edition. We'll check y'all next time. Later.
Bye. I hope you enjoyed this special edition. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. And I'll see y'all next time.